to share this stuffing.
Okay, for the stuffings, we will need 1 cup of water, 1 onion chopped, 2 stalks celery diced, 3 carrots diced, 2 whole green onions chopped, 1/4 cup parsley chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Also, you'll need 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, and 4 cups of stuffing.
Okay, very good.
Hey, man, what are we going to do first?
First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the fire on.
Okay.
Then you're going to pour 1 cup water and just wait until start to boil.
Okay.
Then I have onion already. This one I'm going to wait until boil, so I will go ahead and cut celery. You will need 2 celeries. So
What's celery good for?
celery is very high in fiber, high in sodium, natural sodium, and also it will help you lower blood pressures. And if you have arthritis pain, celery is wonderful vegetables to eat for that. I have a testimony. The ladies heard from 3ab and the celery is good for their arthritis.
Yes.
They've been eating it. They really works for them. And the next one, I will use the carrot. I already pre-chopped some of it. So I have some time to boil the water, so I'm going to show you.
Carrot's a very good antioxidant, huh?
Very high in antioxidant and such a good for eyes. So I try to eat at least 1 carrot a day to keep my eye vision. And also, cancer fighter. And really good for, actually good for your livers, lower your blood pressures, and
Got
cholesterol
vitamins
also.
B, C, D, E, and K, right?
Amazing. So
much in this
if
one.
you're living in Alaska, I heard that they're very depressed because there's no sunshine.
Right.
And eat lots of carrots. You will get a vitamin D from eating a carrot. Okay, this is green onions. Green onions are also very high in antioxidant, which is fighting from cancers, vitamin C, calcium. Did you see that water is already boiling? Really, really simple and very delicious recipe.
Yes, it
So
is.
when it starts boiling, I'm going to go and put some onion.
It's almost like a dump and pour recipe, right?
Yeah, onions is such a good for you. Also, it help you lower your blood pressures and good for diabetes.
Good for asthma and
Yeah, good for asthma too.
controls your blood sugar level and a lot of good things with it.
A lot of good things in there. And okay, this is the green onions.
It's amazing.
Then the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and put parsley. Actually, if you can get some fresh parsley, we went to shopping, couldn't find the fresh parsley. So you can just reduce 1/3 of the parsley for the dry parsley if you are using a dry parsley. And then I will use garlic. Garlic is the best antibiotic.
Yes, it is.
And if you have any like a cold and flu, make some garlic soup. Really knock you down right away. When I feel like low and my sore throat, if I'm coughing, what I do, I just make garlic soup, drinking all day long. It seems like it works for me.
Yeah.
And next one, I'm gonna go and put nutrition yeast flakes. A lot of people ask me, what is it? This is like tastes really good. Actually like a nutty and cheesy flavor.
Right.
But it brings the flavors. And high in vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, and high in protein and fibers.
Amen.
So we all need fiber in our diet.
Amen.
And this one,
Sea salt.
sea salt, yeah. I'm gonna go and this is sea salt and olive oil. Okay. Then what I will do, you're gonna cook until they're nice and tender and crispy. If you have a chewing problem, you need to cook a little longer. And if you like to have like a fresh and without a lot of nutrition to destroy it, and you can cook until nice and crispy. Then what I will just go and cover with the lid, and I will just let it cook for about a few minutes. And we like to thank you for 3abn viewers to send us many, many encouraging letters.
Amen.
So while we are cooking this one, and Lady gonna share one testimony letters for you.
This first letter is from Judy, and she's in California. She says, I thank God for your ministry, helping to keep us well or perhaps regain our health. Kyong, God has truly blessed you, specifically a food ministry, which in turn blesses us all. You two are cute together. Thank you very much. I'll keep looking for you on 3abn, which is truly a blessing. Such a great Bible lessons in depth through your cooking shows. God bless you for listening to God on health and healing.
Amen.
Amen. These letters are just so amazing, and the people from all over are writing us, and I wish we had more time to go into more of these letters, but our time on the program is very short, but they are blessings, and we just thank everybody for writing to us and letting us know how 3abn is not only touching you, but how our ministry is touching you.
Amen. Thank you for sharing the letter.
Amen.
While he's reading, look at there. It's already boiling. So what we need to do you have a finished product, honey? You can get ready. Okay, you can put, this is like stuffing, bread stuffing, and you can just mix it real good. I'm going to go ahead and heat up from here. And you can go and toss it really good.
Smells good.
Smells good. Sometimes, if it's not the season for the Thanksgiving, you might not be able to find the stuffing. So what I did, this is my homemade whole wheat bread. So I just cut it into cube and put it in the oven for like 250 degrees for 45 minutes. You just bake it.
Yes.
And then you can make your own stuffing.
Yes,
and
it's very delicious.
So after you thoroughly mix it, then you're going to cover for 5 minutes, and it's just ready to serve. So we have finished product right here to show you.
Looks good, doesn't it? It tastes good, looks good, it's easy, and it's very delicious and very